Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to make stew peas. Now in my stew peas I'm going to be adding some black eyed peas with it, and I'm going to be also pairing it with some turned cornmeal. Yes man, stick around. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode when we post. Let's get started guys. Alright, I want you guys to add a clove of garlic and some salt, and I like to, when I'm cooking my peas, I like to put salt in the water before I pressure it, so when the peas is being cooked it now tastes fresh. Alright, so we can add the peas now, and these peas I was soaking them overnight. Alright, now that our peas is halfway cooked, we're going to season the pot. Now I like to season the pot twice guys. So we're going to add scallion, an additional garlic clove, some onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're just gonna add these ginger as well to the pot, and also to this pot you're going to add pimento berries. All right, yeah man, everything look up, everything are going cook out and look nice. The pea is not tender yet, so it still can cook some a little more, so we're gonna just leave it and let it stay. All right, so we're going to transfer the peas into this pot. We're going to add some coconut milk. And while this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our spinners. Alright, now for the spinners, no particular way, just put them in your hand middle and roll it. Alright, so we're going to add the spinners. Give that a quick little stir, and at this point we're going to go ahead and add some more seasoning. So like we're going to add some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, a bay leaf. I've added the thyme already. You can always taste your pot to see if it need a little bit more salt, right? And some salt, just a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more vegetables like my carrot, so that can go and cook as well. Alright guys, you can see how much the stew peas has reduced. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add some coconut cream. You can see how nice and rich it is looking. we're almost finished with the stew peas. I'm gonna just go in with some sweet peppers and some more scallion. In all, guys, I used about 3 sprigs of scallion, but I just add it in, I just portion it while I add it to the stew peas, right? Because I still like for it to look vibrant when I finish at the end. Alright, so we're just gonna leave this to just simmer down and then we get back to it. Alright, now so we're going to saute some scallion and onion in this pot. I've just added a little bit of oil to it just to get these going. Alright. So we want to get the onions translucent and then we add the other ingredients. We're going to go in with some thyme leaf. Remember those dry thyme I used in the previous video? Now I'm using some more in this one. After which we're going to add our coconut milk. You can allow that to cook for a little while. And our butter. And of course you want the turned cornmeal to be flavorful, so we're going to go in with some salt. Some all-purpose seasoning. And a little black pepper, not a lot. You can leave that to just bring to a little boil and then we proceed. Alright, we don't want to forget the stew piece, so as soon as it reduces to the amount that you like, we can turn it off. Alright, it not reach when we want it to reach it, so I'm just gonna give it 10 more minutes and then we can turn it off. Alright, now so to this we want to add the mixed vegetables. Now I did not use a lot because I never want to overpower the turned cornmeal, you understand me? And then now to this we're going to gradually add the turned cornmeal. Now guys, mix your life away now. And a quick little tip, turned cornmeal should always be done in a non-stick pot. Now that's, me just find that way a little easier, because if you use the other pots, then boy oh boy, just going stick on the bottom and stick on the side too much. Now for a good 15 minutes you want to just keep stirring. Alright guys, you know we get somewhere when it stops sticking to the side of the pots. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video guys, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And these are some easy, affordable meals you can enjoy during quarantine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.